probably heard how important bonuses are, but writing a bonus section on a sales page feels challenging, overwhelming, confusing. Well, good news. Today I'm going to show you a really easy way based on a framework with an AI that you can use to write your bonus sections. But this is just for you to get an idea. Ideally, you write them based on customer language, you write them based on benefits and transformations and all the good stuff that makes bonuses so amazing. Let's get started. So I'm using Jasper. It used to be called Jarvis. It used to be called Conversion AI. I'm not going to go into the details of why it has changed. This is one of the best AIs I have found for writing marketing copy. I don't really use it myself all that often. I use it to write blog posts, but not for sales pages. However, there is a really good feature in here that's going to help you as well. So let's go in and we're going to go into templates. And we have all these goodies in here, right? So paragraph generator, ADA, PAS, Facebook ads, a lot of stuff in here. But we're gonna use PAS. This is Problem-Agitate-Solution. It's one of the most, one of the easiest ways to use AIs to write stuff for you. And I usually use this when I'm stuck on writing copy for bonuses. So I have this bonus and I'm going to show you how to use it. So the product name is called the mind map. And this is the description I have from my client. So a mind map is something you can use to get into your prospect's mind to discover what they feel, see what they see, so you can dive deeper into your perfect prospect needs and desires. So this is basically the product descriptions. As you can see, you have 600 characters, and you can use bullet points, you can use the description, you can even use some old copy you have for your product. So let's go to tone of voice, and I love this. So you can include various tone of voices, let's call it that. And different audiences require different tone of voices. And Tony Robbins is a great one. It's powerful, it's confident, and it's not that the AI is gonna write like Tony Robbins, but it uses specific characteristics of that voice. You can make it negative, you can make it positive, you can make it optimist, you can make it funny, you can make it, Comedy Central, BBC, like unicorn, fairy tale, guru, genie, whatever. You can play around with a lot. So I'm gonna use Tony Robbins because this audience actually likes Tony Robbins. And I'm also gonna use business expert. And I'm also gonna use, let's put savvy. So when I'm gonna go here, that didn't work. When I'm gonna click generate AI content, it's gonna give me 3 options here. And let's click generate and let's see what happens. Okay, so this is what the AI delivered, and it's structured based on Problem-Agitate-Solution. Now, this is one of the most common frameworks in copywriting, and you can basically use it to write anything on your sales page. It starts with for the problem, because you need people to relate with what is it that you offer or you help them with, right? And then it agitates people. So you have this problem, and here's how that problem impacts a specific aspect of your life or of your business. And then you introduce the solution. So let's see. The first one says, okay. Problem. Most people are terrible at understanding their prospects. They rely on assumptions and guesses instead of getting into the minds of their customers. Without knowing what your prospects want or need, you're just throwing darts in the dark with your marketing efforts. You could be missing out on huge opportunities by not understanding your customers' desires. A mind map can help you do just that. By getting into the minds of your prospects, you'll be able to create a product or service that they actually want and need. Obviously, the output is a bit generic, but so was the input. Most people are terrible at understanding their prospects. They think they know what they want, but in reality, they have no idea. If you're not sure what your prospect wants, how can you give it to them? You might as well be throwing darts in the dark. I love this. Very visual. A mind map will help you get into your prospect's mind and figure out exactly what they want. Once you know that, you can give it to them in a way that's irresistible. Nice. And let's see the third one. You know that in order to sell more of your products and services, you need to get into the minds of your prospects. But getting into someone's mind is easier said than done. It takes time, energy, and a lot of guesswork. With our mind mapping tool, you can quickly and easily see what your prospects are thinking, feeling, and seeing. This will help you understand them better so you can create offers that appeal to their deepest needs and desires. I think this AI did a pretty good job. So usually what I do about this point is I export all of this, so you can click copy, you can move them into a document, and you can play around with them, because as you can see, some of them, like the solution in here, is a lot better than the solution in here. See? So you can combine them, and then you get a beta version of what your bonus could look like. Have you ever used an AI to help you with your copy? Let me know in the comments.